Hi everyone, welcome to my Halloween series 2024, bonus number 5. Today I'll be making Band-Aids. What all goes into the Band-Aids? Vanilla wafer cookies, white icing, and some kind of red jam, like I have red plum, but you can also use red raspberry. I'm not giving any quantities. It all depends on how many Band-Aids that you want to make. So let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is make your wafer cookies into a Band-Aid shape. Take an unused file and file the edges off in a rounded manner. And these wafer cookies, as I've found out with the pencil cookies, I'll leave that video link down in the description box below. They are very fragile. And as you can see, the first layer kind of broke off. So we're going to turn it over and we're going to use this side. And you can make as many Band-Aids as you want to. All right, so there we have a Band-Aid. I will finish making these and I'll be right back. All right, so that's the little pad that goes on your owie in the Band-Aid. And we're going to take our jelly and we're going to put just a tad bit in there since it doesn't make a very big square. We're going to just put a little bit. We don't want that much. Like that. Then you have your blood. And I'm using my shovel spoon. All right, so I will finish that and hopefully they kind of look like Band-Aids. So I'll continue to work on it and I'll be back. So here are the Band-Aids made out of the vanilla wafer cookies. Let's see if Dave needs a Band-Aid. Do you need a Band-Aid? I have some Band-Aids for you.
I never know what's fixing to happen, okay? All right. Those look like tasty Band-Aids. That'd be fun for kids. But you know what? I think for regular Bobos, I'm going to stick with the great value stuff from Walmart because I like those a lot. But they don't taste near as good as these. I'm just guessing. I don't know. I'm sure I'm right, though.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.